Hi all, welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age. Today we're going to create this beautiful red effect edit and save that as a preset. You'll be able to apply that to any other photo with just one click. Here's a few before and after pictures for you. Okay, so we have this image open ready to start. We're going to go into light first of all, and let's take our contrast up a little bit. Put that up to +21. We're going to take our highlights down to -46. Shadows up to +48. We're going to take the whites up to +22 and the blacks down to -21. Next, hit the curve icon and we're going to go into our red curve and we're just going to pull the very center up slightly, and then go into the green curve and we'll pull that center curve down ever so slightly and press done. Next up we're going to go into our color, so let's take our vibrance up. We're going to do that to +22 and saturation -18. Then hit the little mix icon, and we're in reds first of all, so we're going to take our saturation up a little bit. That's going to be +13. Next up is your orange. I'm going to leave that exactly as it is. For the yellows, we're going to go -100 for your hue and -25 for your saturation. And then go into greens. Take your hue up to +23. And the saturation we want to come down to -49. And the luminance up to +10. In the aqua, we're going to take the saturation down to -57, and in the blue we're going to take the saturation down to -53. Then in the purple, similar, we're going to take the saturation down here to -48. And finally in the magenta, let's take our saturation down here to -48 too. Then press done, and we're going to go into our details tab and we're going to add some sharpening. +71 on the sharpening, and also we're going to go +62 on the masking. And that's done. Now if we press and hold the image, you can see the before and the after image. Now we're going to save that as a preset. To do that, we're going to press the settings, which is the little 3 dots. Choose create preset and give your preset a name. Press user presets and then create a new preset group. That will enable you to create a folder to download those presets into. We're just going to call that color tones and press the tick. These are the parameters that you need to have ticked, so make sure all of those are ticked exactly as it's shown here, and then press the tick button. Now that's added the preset. All we need to do now is apply that preset to another image. So open another image like so. Now you'll find the presets in this icon here, a couple of circles. You've got to navigate to where you've saved it to. So we saved it into color tones and hit the red tone, and there you have it. Again, you can click and hold to see the before and the after. Press tick if you want to hold that. Let's go to another one. Same again, presets. And press the tick. And let's try this one. It's the before and there's the after. And one more. Before and after. And that's how easy it is. Of course, you can download the preset if you wish. Have a look at the information below and you'll see a link directly to the preset. It's a DNG preset, really simple to install. Lightroom is a free program, guys. If you haven't already got it, go and get it. It's absolutely brilliant. If that was useful to you guys, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I really do appreciate you all viewing my videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time.